Today, let's wash our fidgets. Watch this. Bunny mochi. This mini square poppet. These green thing. Other one. Triple dimple. Ooh. More mochis. Now let's put them in this basket. Let's go. Grab your favorite hand soap. Any kind of soap. I think it's all good and bubbly. Let's put the fidgets in. Mini heart poppet, spike balls, 2 poppet balls, mochis, bigger mochis, distress ball, little one, 2 keychain poppets, glittery stress ball, rainbow snapper, rainbow poppet bracelet. Lastly, this triple dimple that's blue. Wow, look at all these fidgets. Comment down below what you think is the most sturdiest fidget ever. I think it's this stress ball. It picks up a lot of dirt. Just this bunny swim. Also comment what videos I should do next time. This kitty mochi like lying here. So lazy. Almost done to dry. Water to rinse. Also really dirty. Like, look at all the dust. Clean some fidgets first. Get another towel. See, look what I found. A spike ball is in an octopus. Done. We're done. Watching. Bye. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, bye.